Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss runtime errors and their solutions with you. If you have installed the program without watching our installation video, you must definitely follow the steps I am about to take. We are enabling virus and threat protection. We are managing the settings. Here, we are adding an exclusion folder from the exclusion section, specifically our program folder. We select our folder, and then choose our update folder as well. These two folders must definitely be included in the exclusions. After that, we open my computer, System C, in our update folder, our STA4 web folder. Here, we are deleting everything inside the folder. We have cleaned this folder. Now we are logging into our program. As an administrator, we currently do not have a new update. Our program is up to date, but we will update it again. We are running the update program. We say no. Here we have 5 update folders. First, we select all of them, then download the selected packages. Yes, we have successfully downloaded 5 packages. Now we are saying to carefully open the packages. There was no error during the opening of the packages. If we had encountered an error like 9 or any other error during the opening of the packages, we would have immediately checked thoroughly. We log into our website and verify. We test each of the groups. In the update section of our website, no issues, no issues, no issues. Now, we will try this as HTTP. When we enter as HTTP, there is no problem. There is no problem. If you receive an error screen, you need to allow access to our website STA4Web. If you allow it on our website, you will not encounter any errors in this download section. Now our update processes are complete. Now we move on to the section on the installation of the program. We are opening the control panel. Here, we are selecting large icons. We are clicking on fonts. We go to the font settings. Check the button here, and then click OK. Next, we have our font program here. I will add the link to this program below the video. We run this as an administrator. We are loading. We are continuing this loading process consecutively. Yes, all our fonts are installed. We are running our program as an administrator. and no issues were found. Now that we have successfully completed the installation steps, we will look at which specific sections we might potentially encounter errors from. If we are getting errors from the outputs, there may be an issue related to the printer selection. We should keep the printer marked as due, PDF, V7, and we should also select the page preference as A4. Our page must be A4. Besides this, we may encounter an error. We select A4 and click OK. We click OK. Then, after completing the processes here, if we still encounter an error, we click on the STA4, Project Tools, Module in the Printer section. Here, we find and delete the .gpr file next to our project name, and our printer file has been deleted. As you can see, it is not appearing in front of us. Another error: if you are unable to obtain a drawing when you want to draw here, this is related to your loads. You may not have entered your loads here, or you may have entered them incorrectly. You need to review your loads. Now let's examine a sample model you provided. Let's talk about the model. Yes, this is a model provided by you. If we are incorrect in the analysis, there is definitely an error in our modeling. We should check our model in the 3D window. When we look at it, I see an unnecessary modeling here. We need to delete this unnecessary modeling because it adds weight to our structure. Other elements here caught my attention. We should connect these elements from underneath our continuous foundation. If we connect them from above, it will be meaningless and will lead us to an incorrect result. At the same time, our raft foundation is also connected from the top here. We can either pull all of their elevations to the same point or delete them. I am pulling all of their elevations to the same point. They should all connect to our continuous foundation from below, because our continuous foundation was 90 centimeters high. I lowered our raft foundation by 90 centimeters, and the load flow has been established this way. You can delete these if you want. It's up to you. We are now reviewing our 3D model again. I don't see any issues, as far as I can tell. Let's click on Data Control. Data Control tells us that 4 columns are not aligned with the axis, meaning the axis is not within the column. Let's see if this is correct. Yes, this way. This is an incorrect modeling. This will lead you to a faulty result. Our axis must always be within the column. So I am reducing the 100 centimeters here to 50. Our axis point remains inside the column. This means the user or engineer needs to change this or make an adjustment accordingly. After making the adjustments, when we look at data control again, we see that this column number 401 is not present here. You can check all your data from here in this way. After completing these processes and ensuring physical control, please reselect your earthquake regulation from the general options. Here, save it under a different name. After saving, you can reanalyze This way, you will obtain an accurate result. That's all I will cover in this video. I wish everyone good work.